Welcome to this video on the gut microbiome, unlocking the secrets to health and vitality. We will discover the hidden world within you that controls your health, mood, and vitality. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Health and Wellness series. We begin with Chapter 1, What is the gut microbiome? Your digestive tract hosts a vast community of trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi living harmoniously. This microbiome contains more genes than all human cells combined, earning it the title of a, quote, forgotten organ. These microscopic allies tirelessly protect, nourish, and maintain your body's delicate balance. The microbial ecosystem maintains a delicate balance, performing vital functions like aiding digestion, producing essential vitamins B and K, protecting against pathogens, and regulating immune responses. Just like your fingerprints, each person's microbiome is unique, shaped by genetics, diet, and lifestyle, adapting throughout your life. The gut-brain axis is a two-way street. Your brain sends signals to the gut affecting digestion, and gut microbes produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, influencing mood and cognition. Healthy gut microbes can improve mood and cognitive function, while imbalances are linked to depression and anxiety. Gut microbes aid digestion by breaking down complex foods and producing essential compounds. They create short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs, that reduce inflammation and strengthen the gut lining. Beneficial bacteria also help extract and synthesize vitamins and minerals from your food. We now move to Chapter 2, When the gut microbiome goes wrong. Imbalances in the microbiome are linked to common gut problems, such as irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, which affects many people. They are also linked to inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, and dangerous bacterial overgrowth like C. difficile. A significant 70 to 80% of your immune cells reside in the digestive tract, making gut health critical to immunity. Over 100 diseases are associated with microbiome disruption. Chronic inflammation from microbial imbalance contributes to heart disease, neurological disorders, and certain cancers. Antibiotics, while necessary, indiscriminately kill beneficial bacteria. Poor diet, chronic stress, and environmental toxins also disrupt the microbial ecosystem. This loss of microbial diversity allows harmful bacteria to dominate, creating conditions for disease. Resetting your microbiome takes time. Initial changes can appear within days, but beneficial bacteria take weeks to recolonize. Significant diversity increases over months. Sustained lifestyle changes are needed for long-term maintenance. Diversity is key. A diverse microbiome is the healthiest. Chapter 3 discusses why a healthy gut microbiome matters. The gut microbiome's impact extends beyond digestion to whole body health. It aids in metabolic regulation, nutrient synthesis, inflammation control, and barrier protection. This helps prevent toxins and pathogens from entering the bloodstream. The mind-gut connection is profound. 90% of serotonin is produced in the gut, and gut bacteria produce other mood-regulating compounds. Optimal gut health improves cognitive function. Athletes with healthy microbiomes also experience enhanced energy, faster recovery, and better endurance. Gut microbes provide immune education, helping cells distinguish between friend and foe. They offer pathogen defense by crowding out invaders. Certain microbes even produce compounds that may prevent cancer development. Digestive diseases cost healthcare systems billions annually. Chronic gut problems drastically reduce quality of life. Improving gut health has immense preventative potential, reducing chronic disease burden and healthcare spending while enhancing overall well-being. We now explore Chapter 4, How to Improve Your Gut Microbiome. The 4 R's of gut healing are remove, replace, reinoculate, and repair. This involves eliminating harmful factors, restoring digestive components, introducing beneficial bacteria through diet, and supporting the gut lining's healing. Focus on eating a diverse, fiber-rich diet that includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Aim for over 30 different plant foods weekly to maximize microbial diversity. Prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, and asparagus are particularly beneficial. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods such as yogurt with live cultures, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, kombucha, tempeh, and miso. High-quality probiotic supplements can also help, especially after using antibiotics or during illness. Look for multiple strains and high CFU counts. Stay consistently hydrated to support digestive processes and nutrient absorption. Aim for 8 or more cups of water daily. Also, move your body regularly. Exercise positively influences microbiome diversity, reduces inflammation, and improves gut motility. Chronic stress disrupts the gut-brain axis, altering gut chemistry and reducing beneficial bacteria. Practice stress reduction techniques like mindfulness, yoga, and deep breathing. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to support microbiome diversity and gut function. Use antibiotics wisely, only when medically necessary, and consider probiotic supplementation alongside them. Limit harmful foods like refined sugars and ultra-processed foods. Also, avoid artificial sweeteners and excessive alcohol, as these disrupt the microbiome. Emerging therapies include fecal microbiota transplants, which are highly effective for recurrent C. difficile infections. Research is progressing on personalized probiotics, precision nutrition based on unique microbial profiles, and engineered bacteria designed to target specific conditions. Real-life success stories demonstrate the power of gut health optimization, from professional athletes reporting enhanced endurance and recovery to significant relief for former IBS patients and improvement in autoimmune symptoms. To start today, add 1 new plant-based food weekly for diversity. Hydrate consistently with at least 8 cups of water daily. Move your body for 30 minutes most days, and practice 10 minutes of daily stress reduction. Let's address common myths. The truth is, most bacteria are beneficial allies. We need them to survive. Probiotics help, but are only one component of gut health. Lastly, gut healing takes weeks to months, requiring sustained effort. You can measure your gut health through advanced stool tests that analyze diversity, composition, and inflammation markers. Work with healthcare providers who understand functional medicine to interpret results and create personalized protocols. The future of gut microbiome science includes DNA sequencing advances and microbiome-based diagnostics to predict disease risk. Precision nutrition, guided by your unique profile, will optimize health outcomes. In summary, your gut microbiome is a complex, vital ally. Problems arise from imbalance, but you have the power to restore it through diverse nutrition, lifestyle changes, and professional support. Nurturing your gut unlocks better health, mood, and vitality. Take action today. Embrace dietary diversity, prioritize hydration and movement, and manage stress. Seek expert guidance and stay patient. Your consistent, positive choices feed the beneficial bacteria that protect and energize you.